This tutorial will cover how to create and configure user roles within Nonprofit Easy. Roles are different levels of access that you can establish for different Nonprofit Easy users in your organization. The admin role comes pre-configured in Nonprofit Easy and has access to all data within the system and can add, edit, export, print, and delete data. Other roles might include staff, volunteer, or board member. You might want to grant different levels of access in Nonprofit Easy to each of these different roles. If your organization has volunteers, a volunteer role might be able to enter basic contact data into Nonprofit Easy, but not be capable of seeing confidential donation or financial information or to be able to add or delete users. A staff role might authorize a staff person to view, add, and edit data, but not to delete it, just to prevent accidental loss of important information. A board member role might have complete access to view, export, or print information within your organization, but lack edit and delete access. To create a role, click on the Settings link in the black header area at the top of the screen. Click on the Roles tab to bring up the list of all currently configured roles. To add new roles, click the Add button on the right. Type in the name of the role you want to create. The Is Active checkbox is selected for you. This checkbox determines whether the role is currently active or not. Next, select the checkbox under the View, Add Edit, Export Print, or Delete columns corresponding to each module row to indicate the level of access this role will have with respect to the data or function in that module. Nonprofit Easy allows you to customize the access you can grant to different users according to each of the major Nonprofit Easy modules or functions. This allows you to create roles with very specific purposes and access rights within Nonprofit Easy. Checking boxes in the Add, Edit, Export, Print, and Delete columns automatically grants access to the functions in the preceding columns so that you don't need to check each box in the preceding column. Once you have configured the new role, click Save. As an administrator, you can always come back and add, edit, or delete roles later. To edit a role, mouse over the name of that role and click on the Edit button that appears. To delete a role, select the checkbox to the left of the role you wish to delete and click on the Delete button on the right. To change a role to active or inactive, click on the Status button in the column on the right. System-defined roles and roles currently in use cannot be deleted or set to inactive. This concludes the tutorial on creating and configuring user roles within Nonprofit Easy.